Hey everybody, this is Bill, and welcome to the channel. Today we are talking about stock market investing, where an emerging market seems poised to open. Yes, in this video we will dive into a somewhat controversial topic, cannabis. It certainly appears that we are on the precipice of the legalization of cannabis across the country, and given the enormous opportunities that exist in the total addressable market of cannabis, I wanted to initiate some exposure. Although I do not view cannabis for personal use favorably, I have no issues for those who do, and fully understand the positive side of the legalization position. So with that in mind, I set about to find some stocks that fit my self-imposed criteria, allowing me to participate in this market. This will be the first stock I initiated a position in was EVGN, an AI computational biology company which trades on the NASDAQ under the symbol EVGN. The second stock I took a position in is Innovative Industrial Properties, a real estate investment trust which trades on the New York Stock Exchange under the symbol IIPR and describes itself as a leading provider of real estate capital for the medical use cannabis industry. The third stock in this four-part series that I invested in is Lexaria Bioscience, a company that works to extend and enhance life for patients in need. The stock trades on the NASDAQ under the symbol ENVB. I will place links to these videos in the description for your review. In today's video, we're going to take a look at our final stock in this four-part series, Lexaria Bioscience, which is described by Investors Business Daily as a Canada-based proprietary drug delivery company that develops orally administered bioactive molecules. The company trades on the NASDAQ under the symbol LEXX. And folks, after we preview Lexaria Bioscience, I will present another cannabis-related stock I plan to take a flyer on, so please stick around. Lexaria Bioscience states that their proprietary drug delivery technology, DehydraTECH, improves the way active pharmaceutical ingredients enter the bloodstream by promoting healthier delivery methods and increasing the effectiveness of fat-soluble active molecules and drugs. According to the company website, Lexaria's technology can be applied to many different drugs and other active ingredients such as vitamins in oral formats including tablets, capsules, oral suspensions, and even foods, beverages, and topical preparations. Lexaria works with hemp-derived applications, antiviral drugs, heart disease, and nicotine deliverance. In fact, Altria Ventures has an investment in Lexaria's nicotine subsidiary, Lexaria Nicotine Corp. Quote, Lexaria's technology is best thought of as an additional layer that companies offering consumer supplements, prescription and non-prescription based drugs, and nicotine products can utilize to improve the effectiveness of their existing or planned new products. Lexaria Bioscience Corporation has no plans to create and sell Lexaria branded products containing controlled substances. Instead, Lexaria licensed its advanced technology to other companies around the world to offer consumers the best performance possible across an array of product formats. So we see plenty of possibilities in the fundamental analysis review of Lexaria Biosciences. But moving on to a review of the technicals via Investors Business Daily's proprietary rating system, we find the IBD composite rating is a very average 56, with the earnings per share even a much weaker 15. The relative strength rating, however, is very strong at 88, and the accumulation rating of A- is considered very bullish within this proprietary scorecard. So let's take a look at a few charts via TradingView.com and Finviz.com. Back in 2018, Lexaria Bioscience reached highs near $70, but trading was very volatile before the stock then began a significant downtrend. Approximately a year ago, Lexaria was trading around $12, but volatility remained high and the stock got trading as low as about $4.20. But in recent weeks, we find the beta diminishing and the stock forming an ascending triangle formation, which is generally considered bullish. There have been several inflection points with the stock attempting to break out higher while at the same time establishing higher lows. So any positive catalyst could well push the stock higher, and given the chart indicators, odds could certainly favor a return back to around the $10 level. If Lexaria Biosciences is able to bring their goals to fruition in addressing the total addressable markets in the arenas of practice their patented and proprietary drug delivery technology DehydraTECH can penetrate, the stock could really run up. Now, our position in Lexaria Biosciences is very small, but we really like where the company appears to be heading. Now, folks, before we move on to alert you to that surprise stock I promised you, please take a moment to like our page and do consider subscribing if you like learning about potentially intriguing stocks as we try to build our emerging page. Thank you so much. Okay, folks, so on to that surprise stock. I have a friend who has been investing in this stock for about a year now, so I have certainly heard an earful about it. But due to the fact that we do appear to be on the precipice of the legalization of cannabis across the country, along with company developments and a chart review showing a long base formation, I have decided to make a small investment in the California-based company of SugarMade. An opportunity may be at hand here, as the company is active in making moves to better position the company by acquiring additional cannabis licenses and properties. SugarMade states they are redefining the marketplace. Quote, "For SugarMade, an innovative and compelling relationship between brand, botany, and business is crucial. A trifecta that will seamlessly translate to undeniable consumer value and market control. Our ability to exact this harmony contributes to the cross-pollination of our revenue sources," end quote. Their new investment in Bud Cars, a customer-friendly online shopping experience with a wide range of cannabis products, should really benefit the company. Farm to door is what SugarMade is aiming for. In February, SugarMade stock ran up significantly, but it came crashing right back down. It did bounce in April, but gave it all back in prompt fashion. Since then, the stock has been in a long base formation and the beta is getting tight. So, if SugarMade is going to break the trend and move higher, the time appears near. With that in mind, I'm going to stick my toe in and hope to jump along for the ride. Now, folks, this is a penny stock to be sure, and investing in these types of companies should only be engaged upon with disposable income, because you could easily come up empty. So please exercise caution, do your own deep dive into these activities of the company, and go from there. Well, folks, we hope you enjoyed our preview of Lexaria Biosciences and the quick look we took of SugarMade. Well, we would like to welcome you to subscribe to our page. Oh, and please do smash that like button. We're trying to get that algorithm in our favor. Well, thank you again for your time, and we hope to see you next time. Take care.